The phenomenal rise of the import car market presents 1978's economy-minded car buyers with a confusion of choice. The number and complexity of import entries make it very difficult for you to sort out the most important facts for presentation to prospects. That's exactly what this film helps do for you. Show you why you have a winner in this field with your 1978 Dodge Colt two-door coupe MM. Inexpensive, basic transportation with an almost incredible list of extra value standard features for the most tight-fisted prospect. Let's get right to the point and check out a major competitor of the Dodge Colt, the Toyota Corolla two-door sedan. What you have to sell against Toyota, you should bury them, is a bundle of extra value standard features. Colt's 1600cc four-cylinder jet engine has more zip than Corolla's 1200cc four-cylinder. The Colt jet engine activates an extra intake valve. When the throttle is almost closed, this third, or jet valve, feeds a high-speed stream of air into the combustion chamber, at the same time that the regular fuel and air mixture is entering through the regular intake valve. That high-speed air jet sets up a strong swirling pattern in the combustion chamber for rapid, even burning. When the engine operates at higher speeds, the third jet valve slows the entering air, enhances fuel economy, and cleans the exhaust gases. This tilt steering column, standard for the Colt, lets your prospect adjust his driving position. No tilt column is available for Toyota's Corolla sedan. Colt's standard floor covering is carpeting, while Toyota has only a rubber-covered floor for Corolla buyers. Tinted glass is standard for Colt. A Corolla buyer can't get it. And an electric defroster for the rear window is standard for Colt, but is an option for Toyota Corolla. Nor can he get a locking fuel filler door, another Colt standard. So if the prospect shows you a Toyota shopping price, you can sell solid features that his Toyota price does not include. When you discuss the basic Colt sedan with a prospect for Ford's new Fiesta, your story again is your tried and proved Colt's long list of extra value standard features that are either optional or unavailable for Fiesta. As we've noted, Colt makes different seating postures entirely comfortable with an adjustable steering column, unobtainable for Fiesta. Tinted glass, a Colt standard, is another option for Fiesta. And electric rear window defroster, standard for Colt, not for Fiesta. A full vinyl roof is a good-looking option for the Colt, but is not available for Fiesta. When we compare the basic Dodge Colt two-door coupe with a basic Datsun B210 sedan, Colt has more power with its standard 1600cc jet engine than Datsun's 1400cc four-cylinder power plant. We'll do this scene one more time. Colt's adjustable steering column is a slice of standard comfort that Datsun just can't serve up, even as an option. And that luxurious Colt vinyl roof is another optional edge that Dodge gives you over Datsun and its other rivals. And here's another sales plug. The Colt station wagon outshines its new competitor, the 1978 Chevrolet Monza wagon. Like the Colt coupe, the Colt station wagon overpowers the Monza wagon with standard features, items that are either optional or not available at all for Chevrolet's new entry. Power assist front disc brakes are standard on the Colt wagon, optional for Monza. A trip odometer is standard, not available for the Monza. Adjustable tilt steering column, standard for Colt wagons, not for Monza. tinted glass all around, and electric rear window defroster. Standard, not for Monza's wagon. But wagons are designed to carry people and cargo. And there, the Colt wagon is a decisive winner. More front and rear shoulder room, more front and rear hip room, and more rear leg room. A total of 16.3 more inches of inside room. With respect to cargo capacity, the Colt wagon offers 59 cubic feet of total cargo space. Beats the Monza wagon by over 12 cubic feet. Now let's recap the main selling strategies developed in these last few minutes. Against Toyota, sell standard features. Against Fiesta, you hold a strong hand. Sell Colt many extra value standard features. Against the Datsun D210 sedan, Colt deals you aces in power and features. And against the new Monza wagon, sell your bigger and better Colt wagon standard features and considerably more room for people and cargo. Beyond Colt, for people looking for something new and exciting, there's the 1978 Challenger. Set your BVD for competitive superiorities you can sell. And show prospects the Colt presentation film. The import car market is big, busy, and bristling with new entries, new claims, and confusion. Do yourself a favor by selling and demonstrating the advantages of your Colt two-door coupe. MM. What's that MM all about? Why, mileage makers, of course. Here's your lowest price Dodge car. So many extra value standard features. It may just be the best car value in an American showroom today, and it's yours to sell.